So that's time.
There you go.
All right, I am standing here on a very special kind of putting green. This is called the Pro Putt putting green. It's got a 1-inch slip film fiber. It is designed to absorb about 7 pounds per square foot of silica sand. It is a very, very, very special putting green because if you know anything about greens, the sand controls the speed and is also going to help retain and absorb the shock of that ball when it lands here. What we're building here is a landing pad for 100 to 125 yards out where they're going to be shooting. This is a mini par 3 in someone's backyard that we're building, and I'm so excited about it. Gotta be good. Okay. They can't play. We had the Visqueen here, nice and prepared on the side. We had an idea that it was gonna start raining. First, there was a few drops. We're like, it may just blow over. Started coming fast. Everybody took action like if the turf was on fire. All right, so we had to come. We covered it up. We got all the silica bags. We covered those as well. But now it already stopped raining, but we're just gonna wait another 20 minutes or so to make sure everything fully blowed over. Roll this back out and we can keep working. It's only 2 in the afternoon, so we still got plenty of time.
All right, so what we're working on now is the sand trap bunker. The guys are inserting pressure treated 8x4 inch posts to give us a perimeter and also build a retaining wall so we can sustain from washouts. So what we're doing now is we're setting the posts and achieving the angles we want, and then we're gonna cut down our posts to achieve the heights we want. And we're gonna insert a liner, and then we'll come in with our synthetic sand and we're gonna finish the sod around, and we should have a perfect sand bunker. bestia! Mi nombre es Alejandro. Ok, mi nombre es Alejandro. Soy cubano, indiscutiblemente. Ok, mi nombre es Alejandro. Mi nombre es Alejandro Ziegler.
No podemos
Mi nombre es Alejandro Ziegler. Todo el mundo aquí me dice Picasso. Tampoco. Entonces, ¿para qué me dijeron? Ok, mi nombre es Alejandro Ziegler. ¿No te gustó ahí?
Tienes que ser lo más animado que
yeah.
Ok, mi nombre es Alejandro. Coño, muchas cosas. Ah, carajo. Hay que escribirlo. Corten. Muy bien conocido por Picasso. Ya sale ya bien conocido por cortar y otra vez. Ok.
Perfecto.
No, tranquila. Qué sufrimiento. Mi nombre es Alejandro Ziegler. Todo el mundo aquí me dice Picasso. Soy el encargado de la brigada para que el trabajo quede bien. Segundo manager en la compañía. Todo el mundo aquí me dice Picasso y soy el que asesoro a los muchachos que hagan un buen trabajo. ¿Ok?
All right, so we are here and it's shopping day. It is one of my favorite parts of the project where I get to come out, take a look at all the different type of cool rocks that they have available and pick the best ones out for our client. The client is going to be installing 80 tons of this brown river rock. And we're going to access it with some Tennessee jacks and the boulders that are going to be coming alongside of it.
We've already finalized some of the rocks. We have a great variety we've been showing you guys. So far we have this one, show some of the sparkles and the different variation of color coming through, which will still match with the river rocks and the Tennessee ones. Then we have this big one right here, which I really love the shape of it. I know it doesn't look that pretty right now. It has all that broken, shattered pieces of rock. Like the ripple effects that it has, blending into the grays and the beige and the red tones.
See the VR. Okay, you're on the trampoline, so this is the time you start jumping up and down. If you can see on the video that me and Julio were jumping, that's what we were doing because we were on top of the trampoline.
Gotcha. Wow.
When he's done, I want you to put him on.
Got a high-level client and called me up and said they need some expert work. They're building a backyard golf extravaganza and it's gotta look amazing. So they want me to jump in and help them with this sand trap bunker. I'm about to go to work. post cut, it's time to finish this sand trap bunker. Time to move on to the next thing. Our high-profile client won't be satisfied with just playing backyard golf. This project won't be complete without a pickleball or a basketball court. Bam! And just when you think we're done, we added a bocce ball court too. So let's go throw some. Yeah! We got a big problem. I just found out we got something going on under the turf, and we ain't got time for that. We're days away from turning this project over to our high-profile client. So Chuck's gonna get on the phone and call Super T and find out why is there a groundhog under my turf.
Hey, Super T, yeah, I need you up here at the mini golf. We got a big problem. Can you get up here right now? Come on. All right, we got something leaking or they're there.
And how long is that gonna take? Because time is money. We gotta get this done.
On my part, it's gonna be quick. Just cut it, and then we need to wait for the irrigation guy, to get all.
All right, come on, let's do it.
All right.
It don't take a CSI agent to see, once we got the turf pulled back, we got a major leak.
We got a problem with a leak or something, and I need you over here right away. Super T's gonna cut it open, but it's trailing right to one of the bubblers, and I'm sure it's a leak.
Where there's a problem, we got a solution. The boys are fast at work and gonna make it happen. Before you know it, that pipe will be fixed and we'll be watering the greens again. We're getting closer and closer for this project to be complete. We're laying some sod. The word of the day, green side up.
We are coming up on our last episode and we can't wait to show you the final result on this $1.5 million remodel. It is looking amazing and I can't wait to show you.
If you can't have no fun in the sun,